Hey beauts, it's Lisshaaleah Beauty, and we're back for a warm holiday eyeshadow tutorial. Let's go. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to check out the Best of Lisshaaleah Beauty playlist so you can get caught up on any old videos that you missed. And if you're returning, well, welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. Now, let's get into our holiday eyeshadow tutorial. Today we'll be using Morphe for our warm eyeshadow look. We'll be using Brown's Babe 90 and 35XO. So let's get into this eyeshadow. As you can see, my foundation's done, my eyebrows are done. If you want to know where to do my eyebrows, what products I use for my foundation, hit up Brow Tutorial playlist. I'll put a link up above so you guys can just click easy access, full face tutorials. I got what you need. Now let's get into this eyeshadow tutorial. And that's it, folks. If you missed out on any details, hit my description below and it will give you all the deets you're looking for. For now, Lisshaaleah Beauty out.